You are going to love the 2014 Cadillac XTS. The Cadillac XTS will have every kind of feature you can think of. It comes with a spacious high-tech cabin and packed with lots of safety features. It is a full-sized luxury cruiser, a pleasant ride for any Caddy owner, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, anti-lock braking system, navigation system, traction control, lane departure warning, all-wheel drive, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, power steering, HomeLink garage door opener. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.